How to use CASAS eTests, take a test. First, go to CASAS.org. In the home page, under What's New, you will find CASAS eTest Security Update Take a Test. Click on this link, and once in the page, scroll down and download the CASAS eTest Take a Test User Guide, October 2023. In the user guide, you will find all the instructions, so we advise to read closely. You will find a series of secure links where we will highlight the one that corresponds to our server and right-click on it to copy it. I will restore down my page or minimize and right-click on my desktop, then click New and Shortcut. I will right-click in the field and paste my shortcut that I just copied from my user guide and click Next. I will rename my shortcut, calling it CASAS eTests 2, and click Finish. Once I have my shortcut saved on my screen, I will double-click on it to launch eTests online. This will ask me if I want to trust eTests. I will say yes. This will lock down your computer and present you with the eTests screen, giving you the option to register your station with code or credentials. I will enter the code from my testing session and click Register. Once you registered your station, click OK. This will present you with the eTests Online page and enter your ID field ready for the student to enter, log in, and start testing. Once the student finishes testing, you can click on Exit, and this will allow you to log back into your computer, and you're done. Thanks for watching.